This super moist, crazy delicious pineapple juice cake actually starts with a cake mix, but nobody will know. It's as simple as combining a yellow or a butter cake mix with some eggs, some pineapple juice, and a little bit of vegetable oil, combining that and pouring it right into a bundt pan. While that bakes, we're gonna make our pineapple glaze. To do that, we're gonna combine some butter, some pineapple juice, and a little powdered sugar. We're just gonna cook that until the butter melts. Then once the cake comes out of the oven, you can use a skewer or a toothpick and poke holes all along the top so that when we pour this delicious glaze, it soaks right into the cake. Flip it over and you can see just how moist and delicious this pineapple juice cake is.